Hi everyone, this is Jackie from JackbikeSG. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this bike. Okay, so this is a full titanium trifold bike. Okay, and this is the most popular color. We call it the raw titanium color. Okay, so this bike itself, we have made a few changes. The previous version, they are all glossy wheelset. Now come with matte carbon wheelset. And last time we used the normal tires. Now we use this Strawberry Marathon Racer tire, 10 wall. Okay, so the weight is still about 7.6 kilograms, and you can see the easy wheels we also have upgraded. Okay, so this one is a copy of the H and H1. Okay, so now I'm going to bring you closer to see the bike itself. Okay, so in this part of the video, I'm going to show you the close-up and the details of this bike. So first thing first, you can see this is the hinge clamp. So at the hinge here, this is the pin. Okay, so usually if this thing get tight, you want to lubricate the pin and everything, you need to take it out is by knocking. But this one, right, to secure it, they have this little screw over here, so you can unscrew this little screw, so it's easier for you to take it out. Okay, not only the stand have this, the frame also have this. Okay, so this is for you to maintain easily. Then you see here, okay, the titanium is silver in color, so this is copper or bronze layer. Okay, it's like the thing over here, right? So to prevent damage to the frame, they have this spacer over here. Okay, so if anything you want to change the copper spacer, also can. Okay, but titanium is very strong. The copper also very strong, so this maintenance you most likely don't need it. Okay, so to make the frame even stronger, we also did, you see, this is the pin. Okay, so when you unfold, right, this is the pressure point. Okay, so this is the pressure point. So you can see here from this angle, there is a groove inside, and this thing is protruding out. So when you close in, you can see that. Okay, 1 point, 2 point, 3 points. So this thing will be very, very strong. For the frame, it's also the same thing to make the whole structure even stronger. This is the holding pin, this is the hinge clamp, and this is the one protruding out that will go into this space over here. Okay, so let me show you. You see, goes in nicely. And now, right, we have upgraded this hinge clamp. Now this is 3D printed. 3D printed. Okay, that's why you see here a bit rough, so that when you turn that down, it don't slip. And you can see this C clamp, right? One short, one long. So when you open all the way, like just now, you close in, right? You don't need to adjust the hinge clamp or the C clamp, so you can close in already. This is a titanium bike, so I'll focus more on the titanium. So you can see this handlebar, right? Is the I like this handlebar because the straight one are very ugly. The end one not functional because cannot put anything. So we like this low riser. Okay, so to achieve this low riser bar without the end bar, we raise the stand longer to this H stand. So even at this is about 105 centimeters above ground for the handlebar. Okay, and this part, right, you can see the welding for this part, right? This is where your E hook. So you can see this welding is very strong. So last time some of the steel one, when you break it too hard, right, this thing will break. But now you can see this one, they have improvised it even further. Okay, so even for the small things such as a headset, right, this is CNC aluminum headset. Okay, so there's one bearing inside, one bearing inside. So both are silk bearing. Okay, so you can see that this is the Criskin kind of grid nut. So one below, one on top. So there's two screws so that it will not become loose so easily. Okay, so when you look at the tire itself, okay, being a titanium bike, it must come with Strawberry Marathon Racer tire, 10 wall one. So this is carbon. So if you like the glossy carbon, we have. If you like the matte carbon, we also have. Okay, so this carbon wheelset factory, okay, I asked the titanium also, they say this factory actually produced for Ridia also. Okay, okay, now we also change this clamp, chain ring. Okay, chain ring. Last time is the 54T without this cover. Okay, so some of you feedback that you want the with cover one, so we have changed for you. Okay, so now it's 53T with cover. Okay, and you can see that this whole thing is titanium, including this rear rack is also titanium. Okay, so this is the easy wheels. Okay, so if you know what design is this, okay, So this is newly designed easy wheel. So when you flip over, you can see the quality of the welding over here. So you can see this welding, this light is better, so you can see the welding is actually very good, and you can see the thickness of the titanium is actually very thick by looking at this angle. So you can see that the whole titanium frame itself is very well made, and the things we choose over here, they look very classy, and this is very wide, so it's very comfortable to ride also. Okay, not only the frame is well made, the carbon, just now I said the producer also produced for Ridia. We also use very good tires. Okay, even the derailleur system is P-line style 7-speed derailleur system. Okay, so this whole bike itself is very well made, and it's only $3,500. Okay, come with easy wheel extender also. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fold the bike also. So when you fold the time, right, we have take care of a lot of things already. Okay, it's very easy to push also. Plus, we have added the seat post stopper, so you don't have to put the seat post all the way down. Just halfway can already. Just engage the seat post stopper, can already. So you can lift it up very easily. Okay, can. I've come to the end of the video, and thank you for watching.